Our son is growing up rapidly. Too fast, if you ask me. That means that we need to create a space for him to play and take his daytime naps. Here's what Rudolf Steiner, the Austrian philosopher and founder of anthroposophy, which in turn led to Waldorf education, had to say about this. The young child does not yet distinguish itself sharply from its environment. It is through the loving care and imitative life within a harmonious environment that the child's I begins to form. Therefore, creating a dedicated, loving space for the child is essential in supporting this development. Since we still live in our small red Sweden house and space is very much limited, we need to get creative, which means bringing our bed into the attic to transform our former bedroom into our son's room. After some initial planning, it's time to get some materials. Now that we have applied the wallpaper, which was a first for us, it is time for the very first proper build of this project. The daybed. I'm going to use the slats we bought earlier to build a slatted bed frame. For the outer frame, I am taping the planks together so that every cut I make is the same on the other side. This makes marking and measuring much easier.
So many seeds to sow. When the harvest comes in, it will be time to share what we have grown. We were having the time of our lives when we started. Everything was groovy, but I'm noticing lately we've been half-hearted. West Side Story don't feel pretty anymore. Now we spend the bulk of our days feeling free, like we were properly stoned. Till you liked everything but the likes of me, I can't help but recall. We were having the time of our lives when we started. Everything was groovy, but I'm noticing lately we've been half-hearted. West Side Story don't feel pretty. West Side Story don't feel pretty anymore. We were having the time of our lives when we started. Everything was groovy, but I'm noticing lately we've been half-hearted. West Side Story don't feel pretty anymore. We were having the time of our lives when we started. Everything was groovy, but I'm noticing lately we've been half-hearted. West Side Story don't feel pretty. West Side Story.
Now that we have all the parts for the daybed, it's time to move on to the more active part of the room. Behind the bed I will install some wall bars, or as they are also called, and I didn't know this before making this video, a Swedish wall. It's called this because it was invented at the beginning of the 19th century by the Swedish teacher Per Henrik Ling, who is considered the father of physical therapy. He not only invented the wall bars, or Swedish wall, but also the vaulting box and founded, with support of the Swedish king, the Royal Institute for Gymnastics. Oh yeah, off camera I built these horizontal pieces where you can attach rope or gymnastic rings or one day make pull-ups. I will also recess the parts of the beams where the wall brackets will be attached, though there's no space for tiny hands to get caught and hurt. So here we have it. A cozy little daybed that my son can't fall out of, and a climbing wall he very much can. But he is a little boy after all. He will fall and get back up. That's how we learn. In the next part we will finish the rest of the room. Until then, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. It helps a lot.